I got a request through direct messenger for some straight up sand, waves, and surf before I leave Hermosa Beach. So although it started sprinkling, I am happy to oblige. So here is just some straight up majesty of the Pacific Ocean at Hermosa Beach. Totally overcast day. Not just overcast, it is starting to rain. And I just wanted to share this with you. If you are locked up in your house and you want some ocean breeze and ocean waves, here you go. Beach is way emptier than usual. Could be because of the weather in addition to the situation we're all facing together right now. Happy to say there's a lot of people out in town. A lot of the restaurants have people there, so I guess that's good. Anyway, here is our beautiful Pacific Ocean. Alright, I'm going to end with something for all the Neil Young fans. We've got Cowgirl in the Sand. Yep, cowboy boots at the beach as per usual. You guys have a great day. Save this video in case you ever need just a little bit of waves and surf to brighten your day.